Today I want to talk to you about a Chrome extension for volume control that I love. With this extension, you can boost the volume up to 600% without affecting other Chrome tabs. To get this excellent extension, all you need to do is go to the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser. And then look for the option that says Extensions. Click the button that says Visit Chrome Web Store. And once on this website you'll find a plethora of extensions. But to have complete control over Chrome's volume, without a doubt, Volume Master is the best. We just need to find it, and when we select it, we'll click Add to Chrome. Then in the box that appears, we click Add Extension again. Once the extension is installed, I'll show you how to use it quickly. First, secure it so it's always in view. For that, we'll go to this little button here, click it, and a list of extensions will appear. In this case, we're going to give it in this button to the extension that says Volume Master, and that's it. The extension will remain anchored, and using it is as simple as clicking the extension and adjusting the volume to your liking. Take it up or down, it's your call. And remember, leave a like and your comment. And that's all for now. See you next time.